Welcome to AntMyERP. In this video, we will learn how to add an employee. Before adding an employee, we have to add people's data. If a new employee joins, we capture his personal information. We have to click on the people icon on the right. Whenever we create an employee in the system, we have to create people first. Click on Add People. Once clicked on Add People, the People's form opens. Here is the prefix. Their name. Their first name, last name, middle name, gender. Their date of birth, personal email ID, personal address, landmark, PIN code, personal phone number. Their profile picture, family photo. We can capture as much data as we want. Mandatory is only for parameters. On saving it, the people's data is created. We have created a people name as Nilesh Yadav. We have captured their personal information. We need to enter an employee. To add an employee, go to the organization setup. Click on Setting on the left. Once clicked on the setting, it will land on the organization. It's the organization profile. Go to Action and click on Edit. After clicking on Edit, Team tab can be seen. We have to click on that team. On Team tab, we can see all the team members we have created. To add a new team member, click on the right-hand side plus. Enter the name of the employee. The drop-down list of the people can be seen here. You can view the designation of that employee. Name of the branch they are operating. If the multi-branch is switched on, it will ask for the branch and location. Else it won't ask. You can also check the branch and location of the employee. Editing is also possible. Add the department. Add their email ID. Enter the mobile number. The red marks are mandatory. If there are red lines, then enter the red line number. Enter the fax number and the escalation level. Employee type. What type of employee is he? Is it a contract basis? Is it a full-time contract? Is it full-time permanent? Select from here. What type of employee is he? Selected full-time permanent. If we select full-time permanent, it does not ask me the end date. If we select a contract, it will ask me the end date. When is this employee's contract going to end? If full-time permanent, it will not ask the end date. What is the joining date? What is the start date? Both can be the same. The start date can be later. For example, we gave an offer letter to someone that you have to join on 1st and for some reason he joined on 3rd. He started on 3rd. So we can select that here. For example, I selected 3rd. Leave type. What type of leave is applicable to him? All the leaves that we have created, it will be seen here. The leave that is applicable to him can be entered here. Consume leave. If there is a leave that has been consumed, then enter the consumed leave. For example, at today's date, we have taken ERP. But the employee is working with us. And he has already taken 6 leaves in this year. In casual leave, for example, we get 12 leaves. He has taken 6 leaves, so we will put 6 in the consume. Balance 6 leaves will be visible in his bucket. Employee code. If we want to keep a code for the employee, then we can keep it. Otherwise, ERP itself creates a code for him. Create user. He has to create a user. What is his PF number? PF number will be entered here. If it is ESIC number, then enter ESIC number. What is the responsibility? You can enter the responsibility here. What is his salary? Salary setup can be viewed here. What should be the basic salary? What should be the HRA? What should be the special allowance? The salary that can be entered. Annual salary. If we click on calculate, then its bifurcation will come down. How much is this going to get? Monthly 200 and yearly 2400. According to the salary and its details, its bifurcation has come. Here comes the deduction part. As per the deductions entered in the salary deduction. Once the employee's data is filled, save it. On saving it, it will be viewed in the index page. The data of Nilesh Yadav is filled. To edit it. After filling all the details, we had to set up a salary. After setting up the salary, it asks here. Bonus and overtime. For this, you can refer to bonus and overtime video. What is shift timing? In which shift it works, select it here. How are you going to pay the payment? Are you going to pay in cash or in the bank? If we select the bank, then enter the details of the bank. If we put cash, then it does not ask any other details. It will automatically create the ledger of the employee. Salary ledger, loan ledger, petty cash ledger, bonus, overtime and leave ledger. It automatically gets created in the system. This mileage is connected to your auto expense voucher. You can refer the auto voucher video. On saving it, the employee is created. The employee has been created. To activate that employee to log in. On saving it in the database, it appears in the index view. Kapil Singh is visible. Process to activate it. To activate it, click on the setting in the master. On clicking it, the icons on the left side will change. User and roles. Go to the user to activate the employee. Who had to be activated here? For example, we have to activate Kapil, search for Kapil. Or we can search group-wise, status-wise, email ID-wise. This is the employee. It is already active. If it was not active, it would look inactive. Then we would come to action and click on Edit. Click on Edit. The system will ask you. If you want to activate it, set the password. You can enter a password here. Enter a confirmed password. You have to activate it. You have to inactivate it. On saving it, it will be active. It has an user ID. This email ID. And the password you will put will be its password. That employee can log into the ERP. Can do his work. Now what will he do? What tabs will he see? All that is the part of permission. For that you have to refer to the video of permission. Thank you.